I believe that what we have is really an empirical problem that we need to solve from the beginning. What you have suggested is that we do a pilot program and then evaluate it. I say that that is going it backwards. It is the evaluation process. It is the evaluation criteria wherein we display our values, whether they be economic or social, and how we weigh them. Whether are we going to have 15% higher cost versus maybe greater support in the local community. Both PLA, non-PLA is a complex matter. It has a lot of components, and it is the details of the evaluation that is the key. As was mentioned by someone earlier, whether you evaluate based on an apprentice program that is 10 years old, or whether it was made last night on the corner of Monument and Detroit. These are the matters that what we have to do. Therefore, I would request that you direct staff to start at the evaluation, and you should put in what is it that you are going to evaluate. Because we know that the economic climate will change. We know that the labor agreements will change. We know that the costs will change. But the values that you put in, that we want to put in, that will not change in 5 years. That will not change in 10 years. That will be the same now as they were 5 years ago. You have to decide in your complex political and social values what that evaluation is. Start there. Then you can apply that. Once you know what the evaluations are, you can apply it to the existing data to go forward. And you can arrange for a fair and open competition based on the evaluation that you tell them that you are going to apply. You don't run a horse race for 5 years and then decide what's the winning goal point. You start with the evaluation now. You should direct staff to make the evaluation, and you should each put in the exact details of how you're going to evaluate. That will allow fair and open competition. That will allow a correct display of what Concord does best, which is to lead and go forward in our community. Thank you.